Hey guys, back with another video here today. We're going to be playing, what's it called? Entry Point with my friend Jacob and two randos. They do not know they're in YouTube, and one of them just left. Just start the game, Jacob.
Alright.
Oh, we got four again. We got four again.
Alright.
And we left. We're leaving off. We're leaving off from the point where we last started. So, we've played on different accounts, but that's it. Oh, I need, what's it called? Team gear, or edit loadout. Whatever.
You gotta get the time clock.
Oh yeah, I need the time clock. I have the time clock. Did we use the time clock last time?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. No, we didn't. You didn't have it, but the last time you recorded, we didn't. But,
Yeah.
you have at one point.
Yeah, when we were playing on the other accounts. Oh my
gosh. You guys got good weapons.
Bro, what? Yeah, let's go.
Alright. So, look.
Oh, I didn't grab the time clock! I don't think so.
Alright, so we gotta go loud then.
I don't have the
If you
time
don't
clock.
have the time clock, we have to go loud.
Yeah, I forgot to bring the time clock, but somebody else did.
Get Mr. Ross.
He's already in the vault.
How do you know? Oh. Oh, it's like right there. I'm drilling. Someone guard me, please.
We're trying to. No, dude, just give him.
Sorry, am I doing something wrong?
No, it's fine. Time clock. Where's the time clock? He's using the time clock.
I love how it says
Dude, just
R,
fine. He's just using the time clock. Dude,
and
he's just
then
doing the time clock. Or he's just doing the time clock. Dude, he just used the time clock. It's fine.
Nice. I'm still drilling anyway because I'm an idiot. I like nice. It takes me a while to realize what that means. Oh.
I'm gonna tell them they're on a YouTube video. You're in a YouTube
Vid. Just put vid. Not.
Oh
Yeah.
crap. Slash.
He said. Oh dang, there's SWAT. There's
here.
SWAT.
SWAT's already here. That was quite easy.
Come on, pistol snipe.
I
Who
think
the heck is stealing all my kills?
Wow.
Dude, these SWAT guys are literally just dropping dead and then coming back from the dead. It's around about like 20, 30 SWAT
Where's
guys.
where's somebody? They found the safe. They found the safe. They found the safe.
Is it?
They already got it open.
Oh my god, we're gonna beat this in like 5 minutes. No, we did not hire these
Start
guys.
the chopper. Start the chopper. We did not hire these guys. These guys are not actors. They're just good. One of them was a level 76.
By the way, to make it clear, we are good and we don't need people to carry us through.
Exactly.
They happen to join. Yep, that's exactly. They actually did happen to join. Why are you breaking all the windows? I'm gonna break them up now.
Back here.
Oh, SWAT. Where's SWAT? Someone jumped off the building.
Ha, bot. Are they alive?
These SWAT have heart attacks. You kill him.
SWAT above you, SWAT above you, there's SWAT above you.
What? Oh, yay, pistol sniper. I love it. Sniping with a pistol.
Wait, Jacob. After this, can you show me the Nerf gun you bought after we record?
Yeah. The Nerf Ultra Distillery. No, that's a line.
Disruptor?
I have no idea.
The Nerf Ultra Disruptor?
No. No, it's the Nerf Elite Disruptor. Nerf Elite Disruptor.
Nerf Elite Disruptor.
Looks pretty good.
Okay,
Good
I'm gonna look
size.
it up. Nerf.
Pretty sure it needs batteries. Kinda sucks.
Nerf.
But it also. Oh, dang! Where the
Elite. Wait, what is it called? Nerf Elite what?
Disruptor?
Dis.
Who's standing there looking up Nerf guns? What the heck?
Oh, dude. Oh, I have this. I have this one. It doesn't require batteries.
Oh, really? It says it has motorized blasting, but maybe that's a lie. It's very possible that that's a lie.
Somebody sold you a copy if it's a lie, then. My gosh, when the helicopter is spinning, why can't we just start it already? I haven't even used a single med kit or
I'm literally
grenade.
able to one-shot SWAT with this gun.
I didn't want to use my K-14 because
My God, I keep thinking these guys are SWAT.
Bitty 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 bitty.
Stop.
Why?
Who the heck? Oh, you've been stealing my kills.
No, I haven't.
I don't like you anymore, Drew.
I don't understand.
We can go. Go.
Let's go.
Nice.
Dude, we should just do this mission over and over again so we make money.
Let's do it again. This time, we can actually do stuff.
Bitty 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 bitty.
Man, I wish Aiden could play.
Go in lobby.
Alright, fine, lobby. I voted to replay, but. Oh, guys were good. They weren't bad. They were better than us.
Yeah, they weren't too bad. Oh, I got another skill point.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I like getting skill points. It makes me feel strong. No. I got a thing that gives me like reloading speed plus like 30 billion%. Dude, I didn't get a skill point.
What?
I didn't get a skill point. That sucks. My internet is absolutely
Let's do Black Dusk.
Black Dusk? Okay. Never done that before, have you?
No.
I'm gonna create a lobby.
Oh, okay, you can create a lobby. No, I'm saying. Wait, I'm gonna watch the first cutscene again because I think I have it. Oh, dude, the first one is Black Dusk, and the second one, and the first one is Black Dawn, and the second one is this first one is Black Dawn, and the last one is Black Dusk.
Wait, this should be suppressed though. Oh, that sucks. I paid for a barrel mod. Okay, there we go. Drew, where are you?
I'm just watching the cutscene again.
Okay. Alright, there we go. Okay.
Don't sting me. Bitty 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 bitty. Don't sting. Oh, dude, this is the last mission.
Really?
Yeah, it's Black Dusk or Dawn or something. I'm not good with.
Yeah, the last one.
Yeah, it's the last mission. We fight.
Dude, it says I didn't complete the mission. I'm still Mercenary 5 instead of 6.
That might be glitched.
Yeah.
Bitty 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 bitty. Don't sting me.
Should I start going?
There's a 70. There's a level 75 infiltrator. What the freak?
Yeah, I'm just doing that, dude. Yeah,
I don't think this is a stealth op.
Yeah, level 75 is kind of like not stuff.
He
There's
just
just like
bang.
so many good guns and stuff.
That means he's completed one mission. 75. We got one shot of this, so don't make it count. How do you want to do it? Make it
I want
loud.
to help. I think the 75 guy is just gonna break in anyway. We'll get one shot at this, so make it count. How do you want to do? Oh, we only get one shot at black dust.
No, that's a lie.
I want to keep quiet.
Okay, keep it quiet. Get rid of your visible guns.
Yeah, I don't have
Get
any.
your U9 out.
Yeah, I have the K45 and U9. Both of those are concealed and suppressed.
Okay, I'm gonna grab the time clock real quick because I forgot it, as a little idiot would do.
Oh, dude, we can't bring anything.
What do you mean?
We're searched at the perimeter. No gear, no guns, nothing that will trip an alarm. We'll use a ventilation shaft to drop your ordnance and gear in. Find it, then get to work.
No, so you do get your stuff, but
Oh, just after?
mhm.
I really hope we're not.
I grabbed the loud drill.
What? Dummy!
We have no guns, no nothing, or disguise. Don't run. Alright, you can
Guy's
run.
running anyway.
That's fine.
Oh, they're trying to trick us into using a gun?
Okay, I gotta drop this now. I have to drop this. I'm armed. Take her out. Take her out.
You gotta hide the body. You gotta hide the body. We're gonna lose.
What are you doing? There's a light machine gun. Don't take it. Don't take it. Don't take it. Don't take it. Don't take it.
So, do I go in here?
Okay, just go on. Just run. Just run. I'm trespassing. I'm trespassing. I'm trespassing. Run. Just run. Just run. I'm trespassing. Oops. Oops. Oopsie. Oopsie. Oopsie.
I didn't do anything.
That's a big machine gun.
I just interrogated some poor woman.
You can't interrogate somebody.
We're already down. Oh, I don't have any guns. Dang it.
Dude.
Dude, I didn't do anything wrong. I literally walked around.
I'm pretending like I'm mad at you.
I have no idea where to go.
Okay, reset, reset.
There's a ventilation shaft.
Escape R enter. Just do escape R enter. Just do escape R enter, dude.
But this doesn't work, dude.
Dude, escape R enter.
I'm just gonna let them kill me. I don't have a grenade and stuff.
Just click escape and then click R and then click enter.
The escape button doesn't work on my.
Click what
Don't worry, this will kill me in like 2 seconds. I'm literally gonna let them shoot me. Let's breach. Come on.
This is so dumb. You know, part 2 coming soon. See you next time, guys. Jacob messed up. Goodbye. See you next time. Peace out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.